Hello, and welcome to the EJ Ward FuelView training series. In this video, we're going to be going over how to first log into the FuelView system, as well as any time you need to log in after that and what's different. The first thing that we need to do is go to your FuelView web address. This address is going to be different for every customer, so you're going to get this from your FuelView administrator or the implementation specialist that installed FuelView. I'm going to go ahead and type in my address, and it's going to come up with a login box. We have our username and our password that we need to put in. When you first get added into the system as a user, the administrator that adds in is going to put in your email address, and in your email address you're going to be getting two emails. The first email is going to be this one here that shows the username that I have. It shows my temporary password, and it also has a link to the website that's coming from it, so the FuelView website. I'm going to go ahead and use this username and password to go in and just copy and paste it in and log in. Once I click login, it's going to ask me to change the password. It's going to ask me for my old password and then do my new password and then confirm my new password. So my old password is the one that you just used to log in. Let's say you forgot your user password and you need a new one. Your administrator changed it for you. You need to put in not the old password that you had originally, but the password that you used to just get in right now. So I'm just going to copy and paste that in. Then I'm going to put in my new password. So every system is going to have a different complexity requirement. So you'll want to talk to your FuelView administrator on what the complexity requirements are, or you can just keep trying to put in a password until it meets the complexity requirements. So the first time that you log into FuelView, once you change your password for the very first time, you're going to come up with an EULA or a EULA. This is a license agreement for the software, for the FuelView application software. So please read through this in its entirety, and then once you are satisfied with everything, you can go ahead and click on Accept. Once that's accepted, you'll go ahead and log into the FuelView system with your user. And so anytime you log in after that, you'll use that new password to get into the system. The other email that you get is a verification email. So this is to verify that the email address is correct and you are in fact an actual user of this system. So that's what this email is, and this email is simply just going to have a link at the bottom. You just want to click on this link and it's going to verify you as a user. Being a verified user is going to allow you to be a part of the scheduled tasks or scheduled reports or alerts and alarms and be able to be selected for that. And we'll go over that in later videos. So we're just going to go ahead and click on the link. And since mine's already verified, it's just showing that something went wrong. But to be able to know that it's verified, you would go into the user screen. Your administrator will be able to see if it's verified or not inside of the administrator screen. And we'll go over that more when we go into the security and administration section. This one should tell you that the validation for the email was a success. So you can go ahead and close this. You don't need to keep it open. And your user has been verified and you've officially changed your password. So that's how you log in the first time. The second time, if you want to log in, all you have to do is put in your username and your password and it will come right in. So I'm going to go ahead and log off here. The way you log off is at the link at the top right hand side. We're just going to go ahead and click it. And then I'm just going to put in my username and password to log in regularly. Now you can see it logged me right in. The only time you're going to have to accept the EULA is whenever we do major changes to the EULA itself or the first time that you log into the system. That concludes the first video on how to log into FuelView. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.